Why'd you join the Marine Corps? Would you want your kids to join the military? Do you have any advice for anybody looking to join the Marine Corps?
And he goes, dude, I pissed myself. And I'm like, what?
The coolest thing I did in the Marine Corps was go to Desert Storm with some of my friends back here.
What's the gayest thing you ever done in the Marine Corps?
Oh, the gayest thing I've ever done? Geez. So sometimes you see one of your buddies and you're just like, dude, like, put that away, brother. And not the front, I'm talking about the back. Damn, dude, like, that's big. To me, when it registers, I'm like, wow, that's...
Today I'm at my old unit's Marine Corps ball where we celebrate our organization's birthday, and I'm going to be interviewing all of these motivators, devil dogs, and absolute studs who are protecting our country. I'll be asking them why they joined, any advice for anybody looking to join the Marine Corps, and since they're drinking tonight to celebrate, you're going to want to stick around to see all of the juicy questions that I asked them. Let's go. Okay, so what's your rank, name, and what do you do in the Marine Corps?
I'm Lopez. I'm a 0111 admin specialist. I deal with payroll, getting new recruits in, dealing with the paperwork.
Why did you join the Marine Corps?
I joined the Marine Corps honestly to make my family proud. You know, I wanted to challenge myself. I was getting old. I would see ads and I was like, I feel like I could do this, so I went ahead and joined.
Do you regret joining?
No, I think it's one of the best choices I've ever made in my life, honestly. The connections I made, the people I've met, the experiences, the growth, I feel like it's something that every person should experience or get a chance to in their life.
Why'd you join the Marine Corps instead of, the other branches?
I met my recruiter at the gym, and he happened to be a Marine, and just through talking to him, it sounded like it was more of a challenge than other branches, and honestly, that's why I joined, just for the challenge.
Who should join the Marine Corps, and who should join a different branch?
Those that are willing to grow and push yourself beyond your limits. If you're willing to challenge yourself, grow, and just be uncomfortable, and look good while doing it and work as a team, I think the Marine Corps is for you.
How much does the Marine Corps pay you per month?
3-day drill pay would be about $450. I want to say it's anywhere from $120 a day to $150 a day with food included as well. And I also have TRICARE health insurance, so we get paid anywhere from roughly $120 to $150 a day.
Do you have any advice for anybody looking to join the Marine Corps?
So my advice for those looking to join the Marine Corps, I would definitely recommend studying on your ASVAB. Starting from the beginning, looking into a good job that would benefit you not only in the Marine Corps but also in career-wise, and see anything that would transfer good. And then just to find a good MOS where you could transfer your Marine Corps skills into personal life as well. And honestly, just find something you enjoy, whether that's a passion or that's a group of people or just being a part of the Marine Corps. Just find something for you.
What's the gayest thing you've done in the Marine Corps?
The gayest thing I've done in the Marine Corps is probably we're at the rifle range. And honestly, it gets really cold at night, so probably 3 of us held really close together in our sleeping systems. It gets cold out there, so you just gotta do what you gotta do.
That's not gay, that's survival.
You're right.
Who is your ideal woman?
Would probably be my wife, honestly. She's very supportive through all of this. Me being in the Marine Corps, being away from family, and just being able to balance personal life. And career-wise, she's always there to support me and be there for me. So my ideal woman is my wife.
Good answer. Would you want your kids to join the military?
So at first, I didn't want my kids to go through the military and deal with the same challenges and hardships that I went through. But now that I'm older, I would be really proud if they were to ever join any type of military branch, honestly. It's something to be proud of for future generations, and it would make me happy to see them in a uniform, go through this experience like I did, and see them in uniform and accomplish great things.
What's your favorite MRE?
The chicken soup. It's underrated. It comes with great sides. A lot of people don't like the chicken soup. They probably prefer the beef, but I think with the tortilla and the dried up the queso, it goes really good.
What's the worst MRE in the military?
The worst MRE by far is the spinach.
The spinach fettuccine?
Fettuccine. By far, the worst one is the spinach fettuccine. The sides aren't good. The food isn't good. The first time I tried it, I knew I wasn't gonna eat this again. It was just gross.
Is there anything you want to say to any Marines out there watching this video?
To any Marines watching this video, I'm proud to be a part of the Marine Corps. You guys are brothers and sisters to me, and I'm proud to wear this uniform, and I'm proud to just be a part of this. And whenever I see you guys, I'm always happy to connect with all of y'all. And it's a good experience. It's like a second family.
Does that mean you're re-enlisting?
Maybe, if the bonus is good enough.
Well, happy birthday and thank you.
Happy birthday, thank you.
What's your rank, name, and what do you do in the Marine Corps?
Private First Class, Sitalia, Gillion, and I'm a S1 Marine for admin.
Why'd you join the Marine Corps? Wait, first of all, when did you even go to boot camp?
April 1st of 2025. Since I'm the eldest daughter, I felt like I had to set the example for my younger siblings. I have 4 younger siblings.
Okay, what was the hardest part about boot camp?
Was receiving those family letters, definitely. Like knowing they care.
What was the first letter that you got?
It was from my mom.
Same. Who should join the Marine Corps and who should join like a different branch?
I think everybody should join the Marine Corps. I think everybody should challenge themselves. I chose the Marine Corps because from what I would hear, it was the hardest branch, and I just wanted to challenge myself.
Do you have any advice for any women who want to join the Marine Corps?
If you want to join, don't let nobody tell you otherwise. I would say that. I had a lot of people tell me that. So
Like your parents or your friends?
my dad. But he was still my biggest supporter. He was
Okay.
still my biggest. At the end, he was so proud.
What's the worst MRE in the military?
The beef. Anything that has beef in it. Anything that has beef in it.
Are you vegan?
No, I'm not vegan.
What beef do you have with beef?
It would make your stomach hurt a lot. It made my stomach hurt a lot.
Okay. How much does the Marine Corps pay you every month?
I'm getting like $950 as a private first class, $950.
Per month or per like 2 weeks?
Per 2 weeks.
What is your ideal man?
From what I was taught, it should be someone that is there for you. Someone that's there for you, that you're willing to also be there for them.
Would you want your kids to join the Marine Corps?
If my kids ever want to join the Marine Corps or any other branch, I would want them to. I would want them to do whatever they think it's best, as long as it's for good, obviously.
Thank you so much and happy birthday.
Thank you.
You guys, mid-interview, crayons are getting thrown at us. Where did they even get this? This isn't the ball gift, is it?
Bruh.
What is your rank, name, and what do you do in the Marine Corps?
Well, I'm retired Master Sergeant Mike Washington, and when I retired, I was a Master Sergeant in counterintelligence, and did 23 years actually of active and reserve.
What was the coolest thing that you did?
The coolest thing I did in the Marine Corps was go to Desert Storm with some of my friends back here. Just super people who just stood up, answered the call. You know, things looked pretty bleak for our unit as far as casualties that we were expected to receive, and nobody flinched, everybody showed up, so that was the coolest thing I did in the Marine Corps.
What advice would you give to someone who is about to deploy?
You know, if you got deployment coming up, make sure you got all your stuff. Make sure you have all your gear. Make sure you're proficient in your job that's above you. Make sure if you're a leader, make sure all your Marines know what they're supposed to do. Yeah, and just rely on the Corps and the training and our history.
And why did you join the Marine Corps?
Well, it's kind of a family business. My father was a Marine, my brother's a Marine, myself. My son was a Marine. He was killed in action in Afghanistan with 2-7 in 2008.
Sorry.
So there's a family lineage with the Marine Corps. My daughter was in the Army. My wife here is in the Army. I've got a granddaughter who's in basic training right now with the Army. My wife's grandfather was a Marine who was killed on Okinawa during World War II. Just a lot of service history and a lot of Marine Corps history in our family.
What advice would you give to somebody who's looking to join the Marine Corps?
Come there with a full heart that this is what you want to do, that you're going to make it and you're going to be a Marine. It's different than all the other services, and all the other services are great for what they do. Nothing but admiration for our sister services, but there's something about being a Marine and being part of this brotherhood and sisterhood and the tradition. Get yourself in shape, just get ready for boot camp the best you can, and no matter how much you think you're ready for boot camp, when you get there, there's that, what was I thinking? Everybody has that moment, right? But it passes and you get snapped in, and 13 weeks later, you'll be standing tall wearing the Rule Open Anchor.
What would you tell your younger self? Is there any big life lesson that you would give him?
Stay motivated, be the best at your job that you can be, and then look around. There might be something else out there. In my active duty time, I wish I would have went to the drill field, but I had a great career. 7 years active, 16 reserve, 4 combat tours. Counterintelligence was an amazing field. And, so just don't limit yourself.
Are you comfortable sharing how much the Marine Corps paid you every month when you were in?
Yeah, base pay for the Marine Corps was $501 a month.
What year was this?
1981.
Wow.
Yeah. We didn't get paid much. Well, actually, it seemed like a lot of money. I mean, I'm living in the barracks, I'm getting fed. Yeah, it was probably the most money I ever made. And I said, man, this can't get any better than this.
What's your most memorable story in the Marine Corps?
I guess coming home after Desert Storm with LAI, at the time, and just happy that we made it through and we did a great job, and seeing our friends and our family waiting for us, and just being very proud of that. That was a very good feeling. But some of it is just that mundane stuff. In the morning when you're starting up your vehicles and it's cold, you're out there at range 401 at Pendleton, and you're standing by the muffler and the exhaust, trying to get warm a little bit, sucking out the exhaust. It's not good for you, but just smoking and joking with your Marines. There's nothing better than that.
You've been through a lot of ranks. Which rank would you say is the best?
Well, I really like being a sergeant with LAI, being a platoon sergeant. I just had super people that I was working with.
Who should join the Marine Corps and who should join a different military branch?
Somebody who wants more out of life and out of their service, and they want to be part of this camaraderie. They see the commercials, they've watched the movies, and the movies don't usually paint us in a very good light. It's hard, and that's what we want. That's what we ask for, because wearing the Eagle Globe and Anchor is not free. It comes with blood, sweat, and tears. But once you get it, you have just entered into a fraternity and a bond that's so strong that when two Marines meet at the airport, on the street, you stop and you end up talking to them, and you don't know them, they don't know you. It doesn't matter what the MOS was. The other branches don't really do that.
What's your funniest story in the military?
Okay, this is no kidding happened. So I was at a Marine Corps birthday ball when I was in counterintelligence. I had alphas on. I didn't have a tie. I was like, where is it? Tearing apart my hotel room. Then I had to come to that realization. Dude, you don't have a tie. You need to get a tie.
Yeah.
So I'm like, all right, bet. I'm gonna go down to MCRD and they're closed. I'm like, oh no. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go to University Town Center and go to a men's shop and see if they have a khaki tie. This place had like 900 ties. You think they had one that was the color khaki that I needed? No. I said, I got an idea. So I got my Bravo blouse and I tore the sleeve off and made a tie out of my sleeve.
Wow.
It just looked like I didn't know how to tie a tie.
Do you have anything that you'd want to say to any Marines or any Marine veterans watching this video?
If you haven't been to a Marine Corps birthday ball in a while, come. Get some of your friends and come to the ball. Bring your family. It's just a good way to get in touch with the Marine Corps again, and remember just how good this feeling is. I don't know most of these young Marines around here, but I've had some great conversations, and the Marines today are so much better than we were back in my day.
Really?
And back in my day, it was full metal jacket and boot camp. There wasn't a lot for you. The Marine Corps now, they want our people to think, to be leaders, and there wasn't much of that at the time. It's just how it was. And I have every confidence that these Marines here, when the balloon goes up, they will stand up, they will honor our tradition, and make us proud.
Thank you so much, sir, and happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. What's your rank, name, and what do you do in the Marine Corps?
Second Lieutenant Chenet. I'm a platoon commander for Red Platoon and 3rd LAR.
Why'd you join the Marine Corps?
I think as a young boy, growing up in the country, being very patriotic, coming from a patriotic family, I always wanted to serve. I went to college, a lot of time was passing, and I got to that point in my life where I was 28 years old, and if I didn't do it now, I'd never get to. And the war in Ukraine was kicking off at the time, and I was like, they're gonna need me. So I decided to join.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any advice for anybody looking to join the Marine Corps, specifically to become an officer?
If you have a college degree and you feel you have the aptitude to lead, and you feel like that's where you're best going to be served, then I would definitely go as an officer. I've never regretted it for a moment. It's been the best decision I've made in my life thus far. It's a real honor to lead Marines, and if you can, I would definitely recommend going to the officer route.
Do you have any advice for anyone about to go to OCS?
Run a lot, don't quit. One little layman item, they're going to do combat orders, and just work the system. Don't try to overdo it or do your own thing or do what you think is right. Just do what they tell you.
What was the hardest part about OCS?
They do a really good job at, no matter how much of a stud you are, they make you think that you're not going to make it. They do a very good job of getting you to really soul search and think if this is the right thing for you, and if you're up to the task.
What's the biggest lesson that you've learned in the Marine Corps so far?
You can always walk farther than you think you can. You can always put more weight on your back than you think you can. and you can endure more hardship than you thought.
How much do you get paid every month in the Marine Corps?
So I'm at 29 Palms. I get 29 Palms BAH, which is about $1,900 a month, and I'm a second lieutenant with under 2 years, so that's $3,600 a month. So right now each paycheck is about $2,650, and I get promoted in a couple weeks, in which case I'll make about $1,000 more.
Wow. What's the funniest story that you have in the military?
We're sitting in the classroom in the front row, and this class goes on for about 2 hours. And right at the end, my buddy next to me gets called on, and he's like, just a deer in the headlights, has no answer, which is totally bad to go. It looked like he wasn't paying attention, and then the class ended right then and there. And I look at him and I go, dude, what the hell happened? And he goes, dude, I pissed myself. And I'm like, what? And then he stands up and there's water everywhere, this big pool of water, and I'm like, what in the world? And he pissed himself and got called on and didn't want to get in trouble for pissing himself. So he just didn't answer.
What's the worst MRE in the military?
Meatballs and marinara. Yeah, meatballs and marinara is awful.
Anything you want to say to any Marines or Marine veterans watching this video?
Happy birthday.
Awesome. Thank you so much, sir. Happy birthday. I want you to have this. What is your rank, name, and what do you do in the Marine Corps?
Rank, I'm a corporal, and I'm a motor T operator. My name is Corporal Moreno Ezekiel.
So why did you join the Marine Corps?
Number one, my uncle told me to because he said it would be a big help. And at the time, I was kind of at a dead end, just doing the same thing over and over again. And I was like, okay, I don't regret it. When I joined, obviously, you know, my life was kind of a dead end. And now I'm in a much better place, and I'm very happy where I'm at.
Do you have any advice for anybody looking to join the Marine Corps?
Looking to join, so a lot of cardio, should be fine. Maybe do some hikes, stay confident in yourself. You're gonna get set up for a lot of challenges that you might fail, but it's only for you to learn, and it gets better. So I say just honestly do it.
What's your favorite MRE?
I should go simple with spaghetti and meatballs.
What's the worst MRE in the military?
The spinach fettuccine. I know you can make it fancy, make it taste good, but it's not my go-to.
What is your ideal woman?
Ideal woman? Hispanic, eyeliner, tall, nice on the breast, you know, a little curvy, and that likes to eat. All right, by all means, my wife is not big at all, you know. I ain't got nothing against big women, but my wife is perfect as, you know, as I wanted to be, thankfully.
What's the gayest thing you ever done in the Marine Corps?
Oh, the gayest thing I've ever done? Ah, geez. Well, I'll call it the rain room, right? You know, we could still shower all together, right? So sometimes, see one of your buddies and you're just like, dude, like, put that away, brother. You know, like they have, you know,
Put that away.
Put that away. Not the front, I'm talking about the back. And then, so it's funny, right? Because it starts off small and then it goes like, damn, dude, well, you're kind of thick, right? To me, when it registers, I'm like, wow, that's pretty good.
Perfect, dude. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Birthday.
Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the interviews. If you're looking to join the military, I'll leave a link down below to one of the best ASVAB online prep courses. Trust me, guys, the ASVAB is something that you don't want to not study for. Get a good score so you can get a good job if you're going to join the military. And if you sign up with my link, you get a discount. That's all for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
From the halls of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, we will fight our country's battles in the air, on land and sea. First we fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the title of United States Marine.